How to use Wise navigation in Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to aid Wise navigation in Google Maps, how you guys can do that? It works on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. So for that, we'll simply open Google Maps. Once you open that, you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will simply see your profile where we need to scroll. Once you scroll, you guys will see settings. So simply click on settings. Once you click here you guys will see app language, Wi-Fi on the theme or other things. But I will simply scroll. Here you guys will see navigation. So simply click on navigation. Once you click here you guys can see sound-wise, mute state, gardens volume. So simply you guys can select gardens volume. If you want too loud, you can select louder, but I would suggest normal. Also, you guys can see mute search. Simply click on alerts on the where you guys can mute it. Also, you guys can see play voice or Bluetooth, play voice during phone calls, play audio calls. So it's upon you. If you are going to somewhere and you receive call, so it will not turn on. But if you want to, it simply on it. Also, you guys can see show media playback controls. It's upon you. These are the other options. But the main option was gardens volume, and also play voice or Bluetooth, play voice during phone calls, and play audio cues. These are the main things. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.